It's Taya's 12 Days of Christmas, episode number 5. Hi guys, it's your girl TayaLatrice and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, me and my hubby are going to be making gingerbread houses. So if you guys would like to see that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're about to get started and see who can make the better gingerbread house. I think it's gonna be me.
Let's see.
They never give you enough icing. And this is what it looks like. It's got some candy in here, some chocolate, some Hershey's chocolate candy, and then some Hershey Kisses. Some candy like this.
Some thick gold.
And some candy like this. Yeah. That's why I'm saying that's why they don't put enough icing in. They know you. Like, look how they decorate the box. I mean, they decorate the house on the box. All this icing y'all got, doing all this little loop-de-loop. And you only give this much. This not enough icing to do all of that.
It might be. Just depends on how you use it.
It's not.
So, I'm gonna turn the box around to get ideas off of it.
Okay, let me see your glitter. Dangerous. Too dangerous.
Oh, they got a little video. Christmas candy, Christmas lights.
Yours came out the pack. Is your pack open?
Yeah, let's get something. Don't matter.
Pass me a paper towel so I can put it down on the table. So I don't make a mess. Trying to be careful because I don't want to break none of my pieces. Because that wouldn't be good. Then I end up losing for sure. Okay.
I'm gonna build mine inside the box.
Oh, that is a good idea. To build it inside the box.
Build it inside the box. Now we'll line it with paper towel though.
Is you gonna eat this?
Should I?
Are you gonna eat it?
No, because then it gets stuck on the place. I don't see why not.
You gonna eat it? Eat it?
I ain't the whole thing. I might taste it.
Oh, mine's just cracked. My bottom.
At the bottom?
Yeah, that's where you sit the house on. Alright. These are my tops. My sides. Okay, I'm ready. Give me my thank you, my jig. My what is it called? My tips. Give me my tips. Tips.
I still ain't opened mine all up yet.
Wait, no, buddy.
Yes, the gingerbread.
You gonna break your
man.
pieces, dropping them like that. Is this open already? Or you gotta put it? Oh, it says need. See, we gotta read the instructions. I'm about to mess it up already. It say you gotta massage it for 1 to 2 minutes to bring it to room temperature. You got to get this.
Dang, yeah, only one Christmas tree on one spoon there. So I'm trying to figure out which way does it go?
The front, the back, the sides.
No, see, let's talk about this, the base. What's the front and what's the back?
This is the front, cause see they got all the chocolate and stuff to make that little staircase thing.
Yeah. Get it nice and warm.
Get it nice and warm. Get it nice and warm. I'm a win because I'm decorating my pieces before I put it together. So it can dry and too. So gravity won't bring my icing and my candy down and then it be falling off the side. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
That's how I'm doing mine. So I already know I'm about to win, y'all. I'm about to win.
If she wins, because I let her win.
No, if I win, it's because I had a better technique.
Technique won't mean nothing. Shows decoration skills.
Yeah.
Anyway,
my decoration skills.
if she wins, it's because I let her win.
Nah. I'm gonna win because I'm a winner. You're gonna lose because you're a loser. Oh.
Stuff on my
Okay. Okay guys, so here is the finished products. This one is Babes. Look how good his look. Oh my gosh. Like he got the coconut and the marshmallow. I did want to use marshmallows, and then when I looked in the cabinet and I seen that we had coconut, I was like, I'll give him the coconut because he wanted the marshmallow. But then I had decided to go a different route with my gingerbread house, and now I'm wishing I would have used the marshmallows. I'm the one who told him he could use coconut for snow, you guys, but that's his, and then this one is mine. I put my name right there. But yeah, that's mine and that's his. So let me know down in the comment which one you think is better. This is Babe's. And then this is mine. I like his, y'all. Now see how he got like the chocolate right here sticking out with the, like, he did so good. Oh my goodness. His ball must have fell off, y'all. Right there. That must have been like right here. And it must have like slid off. Look at this gingerbread man. And his Christmas tree. Look at mine. Like his looks so good. I feel like I want to put some coconut on mine to give it like that snowy kind of like thing too. But yeah, y'all look at his looks so good. He tried to copy me, y'all. I was done before him. His little thing, and he tried to copy mine. I did two of them. But yeah, let me know down in the comments which one y'all think is better. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.